Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular PHP frameworks in the world called Laravel. If you're learning web development or planning to become a professional developer, this framework is something you really need to know. Okay, first of all, we're going to dive deeper into the history of Laravel. Laravel was first released by Tyler Otwell in 2011. At that time, Kotlin was a very popular PHP framework, but it still had many limitations. Tyler wanted to create something better, more complete, elegant, and easier to use. That's how Laravel was born. He released it as an open source project under MIT license, so anyone could use it for free. Over time, Laravel grew rapidly thanks to its active community that kept contributing to features, documentation, and the ecosystem today. Laravel is one of the leading PHP frameworks worldwide. What is Laravel? Simply put, Laravel is an open-source PHP framework that follows the Model View Controller (MVC) design pattern. It helps developers build web applications faster, more securely, and in a structured way. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can take advantage of Laravel built-in tools and features. So, the third one, key features of Laravel. Laravel comes with a variety of useful features. Here are some of the most important ones. MVC architecture keeps code clean, structured, and easy to maintain. Dynamic templates like Wake templates that makes it easy to design consistent web layouts. ORM, Object Relational Mapping, lets developer interact with database using PHP syntax instead of long SQL queries. Modular library exclusive built-in libraries, including security, encryption, and password reset features. The 5.1 migration system simplifies creating and modifying database structure without doing everything manually. 6.1 Integrated tools come with a command line interface to speed up development tasks. The 7.1 Unit testing provide built-in testing support to ensure updates don't break the application. Benefits of Laravel thanks to those features. Laravel provides several benefits such as expressive and clean syntax, making code easier to read and maintain. Modular architecture suitable for both small and large applications. Great developer experience with friendly community support and detailed documentation. Strong security features such as protection against SQL injection and CSRF. Extensibility, allowing developers to add custom package or third-party libraries. So, how Laravel works when building web application with Laravel? The workflow usually looks like this. Create models and controllers. Set up migration for the database structures. Run the migration to build the database. Create views for the front end and routes to manage URL navigation. Implement say where would the operation create, read, update, delete. Before starting, of course, you'll need to install XAMPP and Composer as the basic requirements. Strength of Laravel. Some of Laravel's biggest strengths are simpler coding experience, highly scalable for small to medium-sized projects, strong built-in security features, easy database migration. beginner friendly with lots of tutorial and screencasts. So, weakness of Laravel. But Laravel isn't perfect, right? A few downsides include performance can be slower compared to some other frameworks. Updates are frequent, which can be tricky for apps that need stability. Strong dependency on Composer, large file size and resource usage compared to lighter frameworks. Real world application of Laravel. Now you might be wondering, where is Laravel actually used? Well, many industries and companies rely on it. For example, e-commerce platforms often use Laravel because it has strong security features and makes it easy to manage products. Customers and transaction content management systems are also built with Laravel since it allows fast development and flexible customization. Even online booking systems like hotel reservation or doctor appointment benefits from Laravel's built-in tools for handling authentication, routing, and scheduling. These examples show how Laravel can support both small personal projects and large-scale business applications. So that's overview of Laravel, from its history and feature to its benefits, strengths, weaknesses, and even real-world application. In short, Laravel was created to make web development easier, more secure, and more enjoyable. No wonder so many developers using it. If you're curious, I really recommend checking out Laravel's official documentation or following some tutorials online. Who knows, your big next project might just be powered by Laravel. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you found it useful. See you on my next video.